Kids trades on the beach. Wait, let Matthew do what he was doing.
Matthew, go show Daddy. He has to guess it. He can't see it.
Yeah, I need to guess. Come over here. I need to guess what you're doing.
Astronaut. Airplane. Space shuttle.
No.
Roller coaster.
No.
Snake.
No.
Show Daddy. What is it?
Alright, let's see it, Drew. Whoa, what is that? Is that Batman?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I need a hint on yours. Seahorse.
No.
Seashell.
No. Airplanes are made to Matthew and Andrew do it like
I need a hint.
It's a pipe from
That's 'cause they're younger, honey. It's almost your
to
turn
the
to
house so we get your water.
A pipe from the water to the house so you get your water. Wow, I don't think I ever would have guessed that.
No, we're not
All right,
gonna
Dave,
go
your
back in.
turn.
We'll just put it in the pool in a minute.
I know that PS4. I know that PS4, Dad.
You're a shower. A rain cloud.
I know! A snake!
Rain.
A statue!
A sprinkler.
What never learned this one?
A hose.
Oh!
A fire hydrant. I don't know. I need a hint.
It sprays out of the ground.
A sprinkler. A fountain. A fountain.
It's a fountain!
Yay!